Hello everybody. Thank you for joining me today on another hike on another beautiful afternoon here in New York City. Temperature is about 45 degrees. There's no wind. It's perfect. Sunny. I came to this beach today, local beach. Haven't been here in a while. I live on an island, so there are a lot of beaches to visit and explore. So I'm headed to this one right now, hoping to find some American oyster catchers. Now, these are birds that usually arrive around this time. Last year I spotted them around this time, so I'm here looking. So I'm headed to the shore now and hope to find them along with some other pretty little critters. Bad time to go to the beach Sunday. It's not that warm out, but a lot of people here, a lot of dogs too. And one guy had a dog chase away the birds on the shore. Birds I'm looking to photograph. So opportunities are sparse in between today, but it's okay. The air is plentiful. Okay, so on the way to the beach, I looked at the pond that skirts the beach. That's parallel to the beach, and there were some beautiful red-breasted mergansers and hooded mergansers. Tough birds to get, tough birds to shoot because they're so shy. I think I managed to get one though. I'm gonna keep trying.